Hey there, barbecue lovers, and welcome to Smokin' Sailor Barbecue, the channel where we fire up the smoker, get our hands dirty, and turn every meal into a mouth-watering feast. I'm Matt, your pitmaster and barbecue enthusiast, and I'm so pumped to have you here. If you love the smell of sizzling meat, the sound of crackling fire, and the taste of perfectly smoked goodness, then you are in the right place. Here on Smokin' Sailor Barbecue, we're all about taking your barbecue game to the next level. Whether you're a backyard novice or a seasoned pitmaster, we've got something for everyone. On this channel, you can expect tons of delicious recipes, grilling tips, and barbecue hacks that will make you the star of any barbecue. We'll dive into classic barbecue like ribs, brisket, pulled pork, as well as some fun twists and creative new dishes you can't find anywhere else. But it's not just about the meat. We'll also cover sides, sauces, desserts that pair perfectly with your grilled creations. Think smoky corn on the cob, tangy coleslaw, and even a few surprise treats. So whether you're grilling on a gas, charcoal, pellet, or wood-fired smoker, we've got you covered. I'll be sharing my favorite techniques, must-have tools, and of course some of our own secret tips and tricks that you won't want to miss. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll never miss a juicy episode. I'm excited to share this barbecue journey with you, and I can't wait to see what you cook up with our recipes. All right, let's get smoking and stay tuned for deliciousness, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.